Hey tribe, welcome to part 3 of Vlogmas. It's December the 3rd. You can see me in my mirror. I am coming to you from my living room again. I'm next to my beautiful Christmas tree, and today I am going to show you my Christmas decorations. It's one of the things that I get the most joy from when it comes to Christmas. It's decorating my tree. I take great delight in it. I always put loads of songs on and I just enjoy it. Don't enjoy taking it down as much though, but putting it up, I love that. So I'm going to show you what my tree looks like, and I'm going to show you my other decorations around the house. Spoiler alert, there's not many. But before we get into that, let me introduce myself. So I'm Heather, I'm 29 from the United Kingdom, and this channel of mine is documenting my journey as a crochet designer, and I'm taking part in Vlogmas. So you'll be able to find all of the other Vlogmas videos in a playlist as I make the videos and add them to it. And if you want to see one of my regular vlogs, then go back to the main menu and look at the playlist. I've got one called Crochet and Granny Squares, so you should find plenty. If you are a returning subscriber, hey hey hey, or should it be ho 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 because it's Christmas, and if you are a brand new subscriber, thank you for clicking and joining us today. Okay, are you ready to see my beautiful tree? So as you can see, I'm 5'5" and my tree isn't that tall. But I got my tree for free. So it's actually black. I think you can really tell on the video, whereas in person it does look just a dark green. But when I moved in here, I didn't have a tree, or if I did, it was a very tiny one that I used to have in my bedroom at my parents'. And I didn't really have the money to buy one either. But then one of my friends on Facebook said that they had a tree free to a good home. So I went and got it, and then I went and picked up some decorations for myself from B&M, and I picked the colours to match this room. So as you can see, we've got lots of browns, beiges, really neutral. The walls are actually a very light mauve, but you can't really tell in this light. But I wanted the tree to really pick that out, which is why I've got all of these different gold colours and pink. So let me spin you round and show you what we're working with. Okay tribe, you can see my beautiful, beautiful tree. All of its glory. With a star on top. Yay! So all of the decorations I brought from a shop here in the UK called B&M, and I like my tree to be quite understated and really quite neutral. One of the baubles has fallen off, so I picked it up, but it should be right there. But I don't like my tree to have too much on it. I like it to be quite understated. Isn't it funny, now I'm looking at it, I feel like this bit here needs to be spaced out a little bit, but it looked fine before I started recording. I don't like tinsel, it just drops and makes a lot of mess, and I'm just not keen on it. But I do like these strings of beads which I've put on. You can see them here. And then my fairy lights. I've set them to twinkle because with the YouTube lights they don't look like they're on, but they really are on. And then I go for baubles, and they're all similar colours, but then I've put plenty of texture in there. So let's go and have a look. We've got these which are copper, we've got like a champagne colour, we've got this beautiful pink one. It's like a filigree and it's pink glitter, and there's only 4 of them, but I really like them, and it just brings in all of the colours in here that I've got in the room. And then I've got these ones, they are glittery and they've got this design on them, giving them a bit more texture. And then I've got these stars, and they're like a copper colour, and they're glittery as well. And then I've got the droplets, which are here. There's got gold glitter on those. And then we've got these ones here that are just matte gold, shiny gold rather. And of course the candy canes. The candy canes have been there for years, so I really wouldn't recommend that you eat them because they're probably not edible now, but I just think they look really cute and they give that pop of red, which against the green, though yes, the tree's black, but your brain kind of sees it as a dark green, even though it is black. It just gives it that traditional colour. So yeah, I think it just looks really, really cute, really, really pretty. And then up here, I went with a gold star rather than an angel. And then I've got all the twinkly lights. It looks so pretty. Really, really pretty. And then if we pan over here, if I walk back a bit so you can see, I have got my gallery wall. So there's a mirror there and it's got really nice pattern on the frame. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Yeah. It's got this floral pattern on like a gilt gold. And then I've got my canvas of Tiana and Prince Naveen, and then the other was frogs. It's one of my favourite pieces in my house. I've got pictures of my family. You can see it slid down there. Oh dear, YouTube fail. That says H is for happiness. I've got happiness is not a destination, it's a way of life. It's also a H for Heather. And then I've got this one here, which my ceiling lights are reflecting in. I spray painted it pink, and that is the original wallpaper I was going to put in here. But everybody that I showed it to, I always said to them, it's not dirty, it's just the effect. And then it kind of put me off getting it. So I went with this one here instead. And then I've got Be Brave, Colour Outside the Lines, Jump in Puddles, Paddle in the Sea, Smile at Strangers, Go Barefoot in the Park, Walk Your Own Path, and Don't Stop Trying. We've got a picture there of 3 of our dogs that we no longer have. They're on the Rainbow Bridge. And then we've got Wish It, Dream It, Do It. One of my most, I think I read that every single day and it really is sinking in. And then you've got me, hi, a YouTube light, and then up here, loads of places that I want to visit. I've been to Prague and Amsterdam and all the rest, oh, and London, and all the rest are on my to-do list. So, and up there, that's my certificate of baptism. So if we come over here, we've got my very sorry looking bonsai. He needs a shower to get rid of his leaves and then he'll be bare for winter and come back in the spring. My Roald Dahl box set. And then over here, my advent calendar. Hip hip hooray. Now I've only opened one, so I'm due to have 2. I'm saving them. And then this frame, I know it's empty. My grandmother painted it. And I think I'm going to get a picture of my grandma and granddad to put in there. And then this beautiful box is a box that she made. And well, she didn't make, sorry, she painted, hand painted and lined with this beautiful satin. And then it also locks. And it's a little treasure box. So I've got that there. I've got plenty of books there. And then if we pan over here, got my fire and I've got more twinkly lights. I can't lift you up too high because there's another mirror and it reflects the YouTube lights, but it looks so cute. And over here, oh, YouTube light, we have got my biggest bookshelf. And I know you want me to do a book tour and I will do that at some point. So I've got my fairy lights on here. I've got my tea light holders, they've not been lit at the moment, and a candle. Yankee candle, it says Simply Home, and it's called Rain Washed Berry. And then down here, I have got That's to put some juice in for Santa, and then these pencils so he can tick us off his Christmas list. So tribe, that is my Christmas decorations. That's it, that's all I have. And yes, I can hear you saying nothing handmade. No, nothing handmade. But I definitely think that this room on the sofa, which is just here, needs some sort of festive cushion, and it probably won't be in traditional colours, but it needs something. And maybe a pom-pom garland to go on the tree or on the wall. So we'll see what the next vlogs bring. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe so you can see when my next videos come out, and I'll catch you on the next day of Vlogmas. Take care. Happy making moments and memories.